Here's how to update the URL, SEO title, and H1 title in Shopify product pages and blog posts. This information will be same while you're creating the blog post or the product page, or if you're just updating. So the first thing we are going to write, let's pull up the keywords first. Here are the keywords we're going to use. So vegan hamburger buns is our core keyword, and then we have the secondaries and such. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to our page, and our title here, that is your SEO title. Automatically, that's going to go to your SEO title. So first, you want to write your core keyword there. And then in the content, your heading will be the first thing you type. And you're going to highlight that and click on formatting and heading 1. That creates your H1. And then you're going to continue with your paragraph by using your keywords every now and then. Paragraph. And then we're going to do heading 2. This time, gluten-free vegan burger buns. Let's do that. Gluten-free vegan burger. Oh, vegan hamburger buns. Make sure you're writing the same thing. And then again, this is going to be a paragraph with your keyword in it. I mean, not back to back, obviously. And then we are going to write the heading 3. What you can do, you can copy and paste it and then go to formatting and heading 3 and then keep writing your paragraph, right? So now we did the SEO title. We did the heading 1. We actually learned how to do the heading 2 and heading 3 and so on. Now we're going to look at search engine listing preview. If you look at here, you see how long this URL is. So it automatically picked up the SEO title and it picked up the SEO title. However, you see there's news, blogs, Shopify.com. We don't want that. We want that to be just karmadna.com/vegan hamburger buns or vegan hamburger buns.karmadna.com. So we're going to say page title. You can edit the page title, right? It's already there. And then here, the description, this is the meta description. You can change if you want to. I'm not going to touch that right now. But the page URL, here you can make changes to that. However, now because the Shopify is set up this way, right? I haven't connected my domain to Shopify because it's under, it's connected to another host. However, when you connect your domain, of course, this is going to get shorter and you can just go ahead and change your URL. Now, let's save this, okay? And I want to show you something. Once you save this, and go back to edit it. Let's say we're going to edit the SEO title as no yeast vegan hamburger buns, right? If you go back to edit website SEO, although it changed the no yeast vegan hamburger buns, it did not change the URL. So you need to go ahead and change this too if you change the SEO title. This is usually how it goes, how it is in pretty much any website builder. You will have a field for the SEO title, and you will have a field for the content, or it may say description product pages, and you will have a way of doing your headings, and you will have a way of course, updating your SEO titles, same as page title, your description, meta description, and your URL. This is the same in GoDaddy, same in Big Cartel and such. It may just look a little different. However, you will see all of these fields. So in the product pages, it's going to be the same thing. You will have a field for the title, SEO title, page title. You will have a description field, which is the same as the content field. You will have your formatting and your H1, H2, paragraph, whatnot. And you will be able to, of course, upload pages and stuff. And then when you go to the very bottom, again, you will see edit search engine listing preview. So let's say vegan hamburger buns is our product. We put our vegan hamburger buns core keyword in our SEO title, page title, and we also put that as a heading 1 in our description. And then we wrote our paragraph, the description of our product. Here's a bonus tip. Although this is not about the URL, SEO title, or your headings, this is about on-page SEO. Here's where you put a link from one of your other pages. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, check out our blog about the benefits of vegan hamburger buns. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hyperlink this, anchor link it, click on the linking thing, put the link here. I don't know why I got like that. No worries. Link title. Oh, I want to open it in a new window. Link title is going to be vegan hamburger buns. Insert link, and here you go. So that is good for your on-page SEO. Now what happened? We linked this product page with the blog post we just wrote. And what we're going to do is after we build this product page, we're going to go ahead and link this product page to our blog by inserting links saying, hey, here's what you can, how good the vegan hamburger buns are, and you can check it out in this link and purchase it or something. So let's look at the URL. Again, when we scroll all the way down, you will see it picked up the page title for your URL and your meta description from the description. And it already assigned the URL handle. Again, change it to your, depending on what core keyword you're using, you can change it from here and then save. And again, if you ever change the SEO title, the page title of the product page, you will need to go back and update your URL manually here because it's not going to pick it up when you change it. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Today's homework is for you to go back to all your pages on your website and update the URL, SEO title, and H1 titles of each page. And you're going to write one blog post with one of the keywords you researched last week. And I need you to go ahead and apply URL, SEO title, and H1 using the core keyword you found. And also for all the keywords that you came up with last week, I want you to go ahead and already think about and kind of like plot out the URL, SEO title, and H1 title for each keyword that you're going to create a content for. So those are the keywords. I'm sorry, those are the assignments for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks.